Baby, I wanna switch this shit up. Fuck the old shit. Yeah. We ain't gonna rush, girl. It's your
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a prank on my sister. I'm gonna be doing a prank on my sister. Basically, fake blood, coughing. My brother knows, my little brother knows. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing a prank. So let's get started. Can you just excuse my hat? First, I'm gonna put some of this stuff, Jesus, onto. Oh my god, this is so disgusting. I'm gonna put some in the sink as well. Like, all over the sink. Like this. I don't even know if this can go in your mouth, you know. Don't want it near. Let me hide the camera. Okay, guys, so basically I've told my little mama what's happening. Trying to get my sister. It's on. Okay. Right guys, here goes nothing. How do you fake cough? Like, how? Wait, shit. Oh shit. No, but fuck my it's in my mouth. Oh, okay, bro, this does not taste good. Doesn't taste good. Yeah, but anyways, I got a bit. But seriously, this doesn't taste good at all. Oh. But yeah, anyway, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Other than that, brother in the back, he helped me obviously, and comment some more pranks for me to do in it. But I'm not doing any of my mum because she's, you know, crazy. Shit, just stay in my mouth. Why did I put it in my mouth? Huh? Okay, bye.
In a rush, girl. It's just us, girl. Let me know what's up, girl. What's up, girl? 'Cause I'm gonna throw it down.